What's up everyone? I have a story I want to share with you. Once upon a time in a transaction far, far away, I had some homebuyers I was representing who were very motivated to negotiate the best deal for themselves as possible. And while my goal as the highly motivated agent that I am is to get the lowest price for the best property on the block, I had to explain to them the benefits and potential negotiation power that came with the inspection period and repair addendum. But what is an inspection period and how does a repair addendum work? You're going to learn today. What's up everyone? I am Chance Jackson, your local Portland, Oregon real estate professional, and I make these videos to help you thrive in the local market. If you enjoy videos like this, don't forget to click the like button and hit subscribe to get first access to life-changing content. So let's get into it. The inspection period is a short period of time where homebuyers are allowed to inspect a home for any material defects, potential expenses, or potential future costs. Buyers are basically looking to make sure the home is worth what they are actually paying. In Oregon, the due diligence time period starts the first business day after the offer is accepted and the property goes pending. The default time frame is about 10 business days, but that's also up for negotiation. During this inspection period, you can expect your realtor to help you organize a few key inspections to help you see the things that you wouldn't normally see at first glance. It's important to trust these real estate professionals as they are trained and experienced in noticing the items that you might not unless you have experience in the world of real estate yourself. But then again, you wouldn't be watching these videos now, would you? I mean, these videos are super cool and super state-of-the-art, but we're all so busy. The typical inspection you might benefit from having done in my region, here in Oregon and Southwest Washington, might be a standard home inspections, radon tests, oil tank sweeps, sewer scopes, water pressure and mineral density reports if you live rural, electrician inspections, plumber inspections, invasive plant life, and arborist inspections if you have pets. Another important fact to consider when booking these inspections is they're coming out of the pocket of the buyer, so you're going to be required to pay for these inspections day of. Keep this in mind when you start budgeting for your home purchase. Ask your local realtor what these costs might look like before submitting an offer. Congratulations, you did it! Assuming you decide to stay in the transaction after having the inspections done, chances are you'll have a nice long list of potential issues associated with the property. Don't lose your cool, this is normal. You'll never see a house without a list of potential issues. They don't exist, even brand new houses have small lists, don't sweat it. At this stage in the game, you and your realtor will be crafting and submitting a document called the Repair Addendum. This document is considered the second round of negotiations. You'll be requesting that the sellers repair and submit payment for the repairs of any items you deem necessary. Now, let's be honest with ourselves here. The sellers aren't always going to agree to accept all of your repair requests. It will all depend on what they think is fair. This is another reason why it is so crucial to not only hire a realtor who knows what they're doing, but to hire someone that has the experience in active negotiations. There's money on the table, don't miss it. Have you bought or sold a home recently? What kind of items did you have on your repair addendum? I want to know, let us know in the comments. And as always, if you or someone you know is looking for an epic real estate agent in Northern Oregon or Southwest Washington, send them my way. Once again, my name is Chance Jackson, your chance in real estate. I look forward to helping you in the next one.